This no water thing is really killing me, man. Got 2 more hours to go. So what am I doing exactly? Malaysia is a Muslim country, and every year on the 9th and holiest month in the Islamic calendar, when the sun is up, people fast and abstain from eating and drinking. Not only they abstain from eating and drinking, they also abstain from smoking, having sex, swearing, and gossiping about people. So having been in Malaysia for about 2 weeks now and seeing people practice Ramadan and gathering around every night with their families and celebrating, it got me thinking I could try doing Ramadan for 3 days with them. Today is gonna be the first day of my 3-day Ramadan fasting. Ramadan is celebrated by almost 2 billion people around the world, which is more than a quarter of the population of the planet. I wanted to try to do it to see what it was like. Growing up in France, Islam was not something I always knew a lot about, and this experience is gonna help me to discover more about the culture, the people, and their traditions. During 3 days, I'm gonna be waking up at 5 a.m. for Sohar, which is the meal before sunrise, and the last meal of the day until the sun sets at night. So I'll be waking up at 5 a.m. and not eating and drinking for the rest of the day. Okay, this is day 1 of Ramadan. It's around 6:30 a.m. and I have stopped eating and drinking, and I will wait tonight at around 8 p.m. to take my first sip of water and drink again. Over the year, and especially during Ramadan, Muslim people pray 5 times a day to connect with God. During these prayers, I'll take a time instead to meditate and just take a little break from my day. Each of these prayers are done with a set of specific rules and specific steps for each one of them. Time to pray, so in my case, meditating. I'm so hungry right now. I'm so thirsty as well. It is time for my second meditation of the day. This is day 2. It's starting to get a little harder. The water thing is really getting to me. It's 35 degrees right now in Malaysia, and it's just hard to do anything, any movement. My mouth feels very dry. I've ate this morning, and I'm gonna try to wait until tonight and see how I feel. I have arrived at the mosque. It is time for the second prayer of the day. I think I will take this time just to meditate and reflect and stop my day for 10 to 15 minutes.
صبي صغير يصير كبير يقطع الوديان يطفي النيران وهو يخلص حرية الجان معا يعيشان في حنان في حنان معا يعيشان بوليدي يضحك ويلعب فوق حجري.
This is day 3. I woke up an hour ago and I ate some breakfast. I made myself some eggs. Last day of the 3-day fast. Let's see. I think I'm just gonna go back to sleep now because it's like 6 a.m. and yeah, I'll see you guys in a few hours.
A few moments later.
The water thing is getting really hard during the day. It's so warm. My mouth just gets like really dry. With the food thing, I think it's okay. I get a bit hungry during the day, but it's not the worst if I eat a big meal in the morning. But the water is just really hard. First prayer of the day, or first meditation of the day. This square is where people come and reunite at night and just share food and celebrate. I'm feeling very tired, so I think I'm gonna do a lying down meditation today. I'm gonna try not to fall asleep.
A few moments later.
We did it. 3 days only, and it was really hard. This fasting was honestly eye-opening for me. True respect. If you're Muslim and you do Ramadan each year for a month, it is really hard. I encourage also everyone to just try and do it and get a taste of what it really feels like and see how hard it is for yourself. In these 3 days I got to learn and share a lot of the Muslim culture. Specifically, I learned a lot about the Quran and what it encouraged people to do. And one big part of the culture is to give part of your wealth and income to the less fortunate ones, the ones with greater needs. This is actually one of the 5 pillars of Islam. It's called zakah. It consists of giving around 2.5% of your income every year to people in need or to charity. This also reminded me of how lucky we are to be able to eat and drink water every day, every hour, and it helped me to reflect on the fact that some people don't have this, and makes me want to give back and share.